Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. If you haven't already, please subscribe, comment, like and share this video if you enjoy it. So today's video we'll be discussing the importance of having a strong mindset. Two different types of mindsets, a fixed mindset or a growth mindset. It's important to be able to check your mindset daily and see how you are interacting. If you have a fixed mindset, you have the view that things don't change, you have the view that you stay wherever you are. For example, fixed mindset might be like you were born to be an actress, you were born to be a singer and you can't do anything else. Whereas if you have a growth mindset, you believe that you can be anything you want to be as long as you work at it. So it's important to go through daily life checking your mindset. It may be that ultimately you have a growth mindset, but currently you're applying a fixed mindset because you're going through a difficult time or you're going through a situation that you feel like you can't overcome. Bear in mind that every situation has a solution, so check your mindset daily. It's important to reflect daily and see that you're going through life with a positive growth mindset, not a fixed mindset, and be able to check yourself and be like, I'm going through a bad situation right now, but I can come out of this, but I can find a way to progress and be better, but I can find a different solution, and that is a growth mindset. And having a growth mindset will help you navigate through your day-to-day life very seamless and easy. If you have a fixed mindset, you probably believe that people won't change, and you probably believe that things are the way they are and there's no way around it. However, make sure that you see positive in every negative situation. Make sure that you reflect and you check your state of mind, and that you are portraying a growth mindset all times, especially when you're trying to become a better version of you. You have to constantly evolve. You have to constantly make sure that you're not staying in the same position. You have to constantly push yourself out of your comfort zone and realize that everything is possible. Okay, thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment section below, and I'll see you next time.